Hi friends, Ren and Kimono here. I hope you're all having a wonderful Sunday. Well, today's deal's over at Walgreens. We're going to hop into that in a quick second. A little weather report for you. It's a really nice one here in Michigan. As you can see, all the Christmas decor is gone. Mr. Kimono got somewhat energetic and just took it all down yesterday. The tree is still up, but all the outdoor ornaments are gone. And hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day. Okay, guys, so looking at my little basket here today that include a Scott's paper towel, a Scott's toilet paper, 2 Colgate toothpaste, and 2 Crest toothpaste. This was free plus a 52-cent money maker. So this is really a meat and potatoes basic sort of a deal, but stuff that you absolutely need in your stockpile. So I don't think that this is the worst basket today, and I'm really happy with what I got. Okay, so the first item that I got was the Colgate Optic White. It's $2.99, and when you buy two, you get back a $4 register reward. There was a dollar digital coupon that showed up today. I unfortunately didn't have another manufacturer to stack with this, but as you can see, buy two, get back a $4 register reward. I know in a recent insert there were dollar coupons, but I didn't have it. So I utilized this guy, which was the dollar digital coupon, and it actually came off today. Oh my gosh. So then I also grabbed 2 Crest toothpaste, and they are $4 a pop. And the deal with that, I don't know why it's not tagged though. It's when you buy 2 Crests, you get back a $4 register reward. So that's what I did as well. And both register rewards, believe it or not, printed. Like everything went perfectly today. And then just to take a closer look at the tag, so you're saving 79 cents on that tube of toothpaste. Brace yourselves for that one. Some big savings. And I used two $2 coupons from the January P&G. And I also utilized a $3.50 register reward from last week. And even though that was for toothpaste, another register reward still printed for me. I know a couple of you will probably be curious about that, but I utilized 3 paper coupons here, 2 Crests, and then the 1 register reward from last week. I also had this, which was a sneak peek mystery deal, and this was $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend 20. It's valid from the 27th to the 2nd, so I was in that perfect window, and I paid cash for this one because the operative word of this booster is the word spend, so you have to pay cash for the balance. Okay, so jogging through the math, 2 of the Scots is $7.50. You don't need an IVC or anything. That's just the price this week. It's buy one, get one 50% off. 2 Crests is $8 on the nose, and then 2 Colgates is $5.98 for a total of $21.48. Now, I had my $5,000 when you spend 20 loaded digitally. I presented that $3.50 register reward first. As you can see in my little lineup here, guys, I got the cashier to scan the Scott first, so that register reward would in fact attach to the toilet paper or paper towel and not my other items, so no coupons will get kicked out. Just to briefly explain line limits. So anyhow, that came off, and then I presented $2 from the January P&G for the Crest, and then the $1 digital for the Colgate. I paid $12.98 cash out of pocket, not including my tax, and then I got back $5 of Walgreens cash for that $20 booster. 2 $4 register rewards, so I got back $8 in register rewards, and then I had a quarter back for that Scott's toilet paper, plus an extra quarter for buying anything in the store, so I got back 50 cents. Plus I got back 75 cents from the Fetch Rewards app, basically making my basket free, plus a 52-cent money maker. And let's not forget to pay cash for the balance for this one. Okay, guys, so now we're going to talk about Christmas stuff for the rest of this video. And I didn't do too many different deals today over at Walgreens. I just wanted to get in and out. But their stuff is 50% off. And if you were so lucky to do curbside for the different kits and stuff, I know a lot of you are having a lot of success with that. But at the store I visited this morning, there is still a ton of stuff. Like a huge amount of it. People are just not really buying this clearance stuff because I think any pharmacy is a little bit more than like a Walmart or a Meijer, so people are like, look but don't touch. And the promotion that they have there is the same one that they had last year, which is buy 4, get the 5th item for free. And I did look at the signage a little bit to get more information on the clearance sale, and if you look at it, yeah, there's also a lot of slippers too. Like, a lot of this stuff is not moving, so even at 50% off, wait for it. Because we're going to get it for a lot cheaper because people are just not budging at these prices because they're still a little bit out of pocket. Lots of slippers left. So as you can see, the signage says buy four, get the fifth for free. Mix and match Christmas merchandise from the 26th to the 6th. So that is some very key information here because I believe on the 7th, this will hit 75 or 80% off. If it's the same as last year, it will be 80% off. Now, last year it went 80 and it did not hit 90. So I'm going to just say as a little bit of crystal ball work here, I think on the 7th, it's going to hit 80% off. And it would be really nice to see 90, but it's probably dependent how much stuff your store has left. And then I think last year they went for a couple days at 80% off and then they boxed it all up. So if your store has a lot like me, I would wait until the 7th. And you know what? If you go first thing, you will have success with the sale, especially if there's a good amount of stuff. And if there's something there that you could just wait till the 7th, you're going to have a lot more savings. Use your Walgreens cash register rewards, whatever you might have. But it's just a way, guys, to really have like a huge cart of stuff for very little out of pocket. Okay, so over at Walmart, my goodness gracious, I was shocked what I saw. Like, people went really friggin' hard on 50% off, and I think it's a lot of non-couponers. Some end caps near beauty had some stuff still, like, but for the most part, everything was gone in the clearance section where they had the holiday stuff. Like, this deodorant kit, I don't think anybody wants it, but wow, everything was just cleared. So I have the sneakiest suspicion on the 31st, which is a Thursday, it's going to hit 75% off. And for like a lot of this stuff at 50% off, like $249 for that Hello Kitty dental kit, not happening. Even though it's super adorable and I should have bought one, I was like, I'll just wait because I want 75 or 90%. And that's typically what they do at Walmart. But some of this stuff, like you're still paying like $4 or $5 for one of these. I just didn't see the value. All of the Old Spice, those sort of kits were all gone. But if you were so lucky yesterday to go to Walmart and buy like an Aveeno or Old Spice or some of those kits, check out your Shopkick account because a lot of rebates still for those gift kits are still available on Shopkick. Now over at Lowe, 75% off. They still had a couple things, like if you're really into like Minions or Disney, you could probably deck your whole yard out. I went there when it was 50% off a couple days ago and picked up a ceramic Christmas tree. That's what I was looking for. But near the gardening center, that's where they have this huge display. If you want to go and use a Fetch Rewards gift card, so you're paying a lot less out of pocket, that might be ideal just for some bigger savings. But a lot of this stuff I just was not interested in. Just leave it for other shoppers. But I just wanted to see what they had. And they still had a good amount of stuff. Not a whole lot, but they still had, stuff. And they just try to reduce it down in size. So they're just like, it's down to like 2 shelves. But this sort of a thing, I'm looking at that and thinking I can probably get something for a lot less over at the Dollar General. And they have their quarter sale in January. So I thought this was super cute. I thought somebody would definitely pick that up, but I'm guessing not. So anyhow, just some super cute stuff at Lowe's. You might want to take a drive over there if any of this stuff interests you, and use a gift card so you're paying a lot less out of pocket too. The final store that we have is Meijer. Meijer is predominantly in the Midwest, and 50% off of the merchandise. So if you look at the signage at the bottom, it says this started on the 26th and it's going right till the 1st. So 26th to the 1st. So my sneaky suspicion is on the 2nd, which is going to be a Saturday. It's either going to hit 75 or 90% off. Last year it hit 90 and everything was cleared really quickly. And I think that's also dependent on your store. But like looking around my store, these prices, nobody's buying anything because they had a lot of merchandise compared to Walmart. They had so much stuff, just like a huge amount of it, and nothing's really moving because I think that it's just still a bit too much, or people don't think to shop there for Christmas clearance stuff. Walmart's an obvious, but Meijer not so much. And everything from the different like pet supplies, and even if they didn't pull everything, you might want to walk through certain sections of the store if you like air care, if you like, pet treats, that sort of stuff. whatever you're looking for. Even like ornaments like this guy for $7.50, I would never pay for that. But you know what? 90% off to pay $1.49 for this gorgeous little cat with a scarf that looks like my little Daisy. I might have to buy that. They had a huge amount of like cat and dog ornaments too at this one store. And then something that I always like to stock up on are these little garbage cans, and on Saturday, if they're 59 cents each, I might have to grab a couple. Even if you're using it for cleaning, or just if you go through garbage cans a lot like I do at my home, this is a really great price point. So that Saturday, as per the signage, it'll either be 75 or 90. Now, one thing I did find in the store that I actually bought was these Pillsbury's Funfetti, 99 cents each. Like, probably not the biggest savings for Pillsbury, but I had a TerraPad coupon. So I managed to get 2 boxes of this for like 99 cents. So I paid 49 cents for this. So it's not the worst thing. Pillsbury and Betty Crocker, they always have like holiday mixes. And then if you have coupons to pair with it, you can get it for a lot less. And I don't know where I got this one. I got it a while back, but I think the coupon is valid till the summer of 2021. It's valid till June of 2021. So I'm going to give a couple of you some of these coupons because I'm not going to use all of them. So to be in the running for this, I'm going to send 2 envies out on Wednesday, the 30th. So you have to be a subscriber to this channel. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper. 1 entry per person. I will pick the 2 winners on Wednesday, December the 30th. So good luck with that one. And between now and June, I'm sure there will be other sales to get like cake mix on the cheap, and whatever store you want to buy it at. This is a really great coupon to have. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.